Maggie, Snow Angel. You can see it. Shannon, Snow Angel. Can't see it very well.
Mine's right there.
Opie, Snow Angel is somewhere. Opie, you want to do another one? No?
I want to do my rock star one.
And Isaac's, I think,
Yeah, that's mine.
is right there. Let's see your rock star one, Opie. And there you go. Hope's Rockstar Snow Angel. With a pose afterwards. Isaac playing a snowball fight with the trash can. No, it's not empty yet, Hope. Leave it. My hat's on the ground and Isaac has no hat on. No, Maggie. Something that needs to go in the trash.